my God, baby! Disneyland! Why, kinikilig ka? Hey guys! So ayan, dito na kami ngayon sa Hong Kong. So mag-dinner kami. Hindi ko alam kung saan exactly kami mag-dinner. And ngayon, kakagising ko lang dahil kanina hindi rin ako nakatulog ng maayos. Papakita ko sa inyo at sasama namin kayo sa magiging gala namin for today's video. So let's go!
Alam niyo ba kung ba't kami nandito sa Hong Kong? Kasi birthday na ni Cleo.
Hey! Birthday na ni Cleo! Tsaka, Mansari ng Warlio! Mansari ng Warlio! Samahan niyo kami ngayong gabi.
Masaya dito sa Hong Kong. Tara!
Rock and roll!
어젯밤에 어디 있어서 내 생각하곤 있어 너 어린아이 같아 넌 아직까지 마음이 넌 아파 I'm feeling lonely Something about you make me feel
Alam mo ba? Yes. Hindi lang mga athlete nakakapanalo ng show. Ako din.
Here right by my side Feel like I am falling deeper 여기서 alone I feel like falling deeper, deeper Cause I love and rewind Love and you right, baby What?
Parang unggoy na yan eh.
Ha?
Parang unggoy.
Dagat yung unggoy. Isang station lang kami, kaya pababa na rin kami. Kapag babagal-bagal ka sa Hong Kong, may iwanan ka. Saka yung mga tao dito mabilis din maglakad. Kapag ka mahina loob mo, tatabunan ka ng human tsunami. What? I'm scared, baby.
Why? Ay, ayun na.
Alam! Ano? Baka maiwan ng train. Second train natin ngayon dahil tayo ay papunta sa Chuan Line. So, 2 station naman tayo ngayon.
This time of the year I can't stop asking why I'm struggling Stay
Galing ba siya? So, titignan natin yung Chinese food. Mag-honest review tayo. After naman tinikman namin yung soup nila. Masarap siya kaso baboy, kaya hindi makakain sa bahay. Sarap ng sabaw. Next is itong crab rolls. Let's try it. Shrimp roll naman to, guys.
Ayaw mo.
Pero, medyo malalis na to.
Patigim.
Sarap ng sabaw, no? Beef naman to. Beef ewan ko. Sarap nga. Medyo mahal lang. Kailangan ng kanin.
Huli mo na lahat. Isang buta na yan.
Love na love ko tong baby ko. Ito lang gusto kong baby. Forever and ever in the world, in the universe, in the Philippines, in the other countries. So, nakapag-dinner na kami and masarap siya. Gusto ko yung pagkain dito. Yes, nakapag-dinner na kami. Mahal ko naman yung bata na yun. Eh, Piolo Pascual Malyari!
Two heads where there usually is one
Kaya second day na nag-intro. So today, it's our second day here in Hong Kong and pupunta kami ngayon ni Baby sa parang Ocean Park dito sa Hong Kong. Hindi ko alam anong pangalan pero gano'n yung pupuntahan namin. So, Ocean Park talaga? Papansin nyo ba, kada country, meron kami pinupuntahan na parang aquarium,
Kasi,
zoo, gano'n. Masaya naman eh, masaya naman siya. Kasi nakukompare namin kung saang country mas maganda yung ganitong aquarium, kung saang country mas malaki yung ganito. So today din tayo pupunta and after nun, hindi ko na alam anong mangyayari dahil pabago-bago rin kami ng mga pwedeng puntahan. Depende sa oras tsaka sa dami ng tao. So, samahan nyo na lang kami and ito yung outfit namin ni Baby. Outfit check muna tayo for today's video.
wait lang. Confirm, pinakamaraming animals sa Pilipinas. Ay! Ay!
Sa bandang ano. So, parehas kami naka-block ngayon ni Mahal, pero magkaiba kami ng forma. Parehas si street, pero ibang dating. Tapos pala, gagamitin ko tong aking bagong bag. Ito yung nadaling ko. Simple lang. Yan. Girly siya, pero pag sinuot mo siya sa ganito, hindi na siya masyadong pansin ng girly. So, ito yung outfit natin for today's video and samahan nyo kami guys.
Father, forgive me, I just saw an angel tonight. In a black dress, brown eyes, Louis V, Westwood on her neck. Westwood on her neck. And Father, I confess, Father, I've done something I regret.
So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Admiralty Station and connected siya sa may Ocean Park. And Ocean Park nga talaga yung pangalan niya. Pero yun nga medyo maulan. Papakita ko sa inyo.
Got me with that look in her eyes. Took her back home, I know that I probably should've let it go. Should've let it go, but I let her in my bed. Can you see the horns on her head? 7 days a week, we don't ever get to rest. Blessings on me, giving me a Sunday best. I lost my way, Father, I confess. Father, I confess, she got me possessed. That girl, she looks like an angel, but she's playing with fire. Acts so innocent, but it's so pretend. Worshipping down on my knees, praying she'll show me mercy. Think I see the light, she the one I idolize. Loving her is bad religion.
Sarap nito guys, so sa sinigang mix. Eh.
She bad, bad, bad for me. She gon' be the death of me. Temptation captivate me with the way she move her body. Got the Holy Spirit giving me a warning that I shouldn't be messing with a girl like her. I know, but it's too late. Even though I'm well aware there's sin on my plate. She's my forbidden fruit, and I can't help myself. I know it's really right, but that girl's just my type. 7 days a week, we don't ever get a rest.
So guys, dito muna kami sa may Baby, mag-lunch kami and tingnan nyo kung gaano kadami yung serve ng pagkain sa akin. Para akong na-miesta tapos gutom na gutom ako. Tingnan nyo.
Ano yan?
Gutom na gutom yan. Ito sa akin, beef siya na niluto sa red wine. Kay Mahal naman tong salmon. Salmon. Kay CJ naman is spaghetti. Fish and chips naman kay Ross. Kain muna kami guys. Update ko kayo mamaya. Bye-bye.
어느새 여긴 너를 지고 밀려오는 너의 작은 바다 시간은 너를 감싸고 너와 내 발을 맞추
Guys, maulan pa din super suffer. So, di tayo makakapag-rides kasi medyo mas lumakas yung ulan ngayon compare kanina.
Alam nyo, na-amaze ako kasi sa Ocean Park nila dito, sobrang laki.
Kaya nga eh.
Sa lahat ng mga parang mga Sea of Life
Napuntahan natin?
napuntahan namin. Ito yung pinakamalaki, tsaka mixture of animals and fun. Like,
Oo.
may mga rides,
May
may
theme park din
carousel.
kasi.
Yes, and it's so nice. Ay, ang ganda
Ay, may
sana.
roller coaster pa din! Kaso ayoko magpaulan. So ayan guys, di na umuulan. Ang sarap para sa feeling maglakad-lakad ng walang hawak na
Yes!
payong. Na hindi nababasa, alam niyo yun, kung kailan patapos na kami. So, ang pupunta naman namin ngayon is yung view deck. Ano siya, parang sobrang taas na tower. Tapos, upo kami sa loob, may kita namin yung buong island ata dito. Tapos, bababa rin, picture-picture lang. So, ayan guys, sasakay na kami sa tower deck.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa theme park ng Ocean Park pa din, and sasakay lang kami ng Ferris wheel, and bago kami sumakay, bibili muna ako ng ice cream para yung pakiramdam ko medyo guminha-ginhawa kasi sobrang init na ako, sweater pa mo.
Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you. I just worry about me. So you better run, run. You don't know what I mean. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. Phone is buzzing up, beep, beep. I don't care about you. I just care about me. So you better run, run. Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone. Now before I lose my control.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Victoria Peak, and grabe, sobrang pagod na kami kakalakal. Going apat. Pero masaya. And hindi namin alam anong gagawin namin dito. So, papakita namin sa inyo kung anong gagawin namin dito mamaya.
Run, boy, run away. Run, boy, run. Run, boy, run. Run, boy, run away. Run, boy, run. Run, boy, run. Run, boy, run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run, boy, run. Run, boy, run. Run, boy, run away. Just go home.
Ang ganda guys, para siyang Mahanakon sa Thailand, pero mas smaller version. Ganda, kitang-kita mo yung buong Hong Kong.
His shoulders tie-dye, homie, then I don't know why. Who you tryna impress now? When you wanna come out? When you know I ain't got time. Boy, you better run, run. I don't know who I like, but I know it's not that guy. Pretty little fool online, it doesn't feel right. And it won't work out, so you better run, run. Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone. Now before I lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know. So I used to stand in it, fall. Run back home to
Good morning guys! So today is our Disney day, and sobrang na-excite ako dahil ito yung pinaka-nilook forward ko ngayong birthday ko. And guys, today is also my birthday, and me and Mahal's 18th monthsary. So 25 years old na ako. Pero today, magiging bata tayo the whole day dahil nasa Disneyland nga tayo, and goal ko masakyan lahat ng gusto kong sakyan na rides, makita yung parade, and makita yung fireworks sa gabi dahil feeling ko sobrang mahihil yung inner childhood ko, and syempre kasama ko rin yung pinakamamahal kong baby. So sobrang excited ako ipakita yun sa inyo. So samahan nyo kami and maging bata tayo for today's video. So ayan guys, dito muna kami sa Starbucks kasi yung hotel namin, yung baba, may Starbucks siya, and mag-lunch na muna kami para mamaya dire-diretso na. So katapat ko yung baby ko. Ang ganda-ganda niya, oh. So after namin dito, babiyahe na kami papunta ng Disneyland. So see you later guys.
Wow, you look so perfect. I'll hit the ground if you keep on looking at me like that. And you don't know what you do to me. And I would probably go and end it all if you found out. No words can explain what I'm feeling.
Wow!
Being with you feels as easy
So
as
dito na kami ngayon guys sa Disneyland train. Yeah! Ang ganda, sobrang Mickey Mouse na yun. Nandito, tignan niyo yung gilid namin. Oh! Dito na kami guys, sobrang excited na ako. Nararamdaman ko na. Hindi lang to Ike guys, Disneyland to. Dito, oh my God! Hala baby! Oh my God, baby! Disneyland! Ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda. Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday! Eh! Happy na birthday mo pa! Kinikilig ako. Wow! Nakikita ko na!
Enchanted Kingdom!
Hindi siya Enchanted Kingdom! Ala, ang ganda! Oh my God, ito na! Wow! Dream come true! Yeah!
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all.
So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Sumakay na tayo!
I did it all for you. It's all for
Hindi guys, sobrang masaya ako kasi nasa Disneyland tayo tapos hindi umuulan.
Yes, and hindi din ganun kainit.
Yes, enjoy natin ang Disneyland. Woohoo!
without sleeping, 'cause you fear the night. And days without eating, 'cause it ain't enough for two. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
Si Mickey Mouse mahal! Ayun o, sa gitna! Wow!
When it is freezing, I will keep you warm. I will hold you closer so you don't feel the cold. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all
So ayan guys, tapos na kayo manood kanina ng show dito sa may likod sa may castle. Ngayon, manonood naman tayo ng parade. So, abangan na natin. Tara na, baby. Grabe, na-excite ako. Ilang minutes na lang? Ay, 8 minutes pa pala. Mamaya na.
simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Too many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. My baby, I do. I miss you too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine, fine. I play the memories over.
So guys, it's time to ride some rides na. It's my time to shine dahil yun naman yung pinunta ko rin dito. And si Mickey Mouse nakita ko na. Kaya it's time to enjoy! So let's go! To change of plans dahil mag-6 na pala tapos di pa kami kumakain. So kain muna kami bago kami mag-rides. And sobrang ganda ng kainan dito as in Cinderella Castle talaga siya. Tingnan nyo guys ha. Wow! Diba? Isipin nyo kainan to. Diba? Ang ganda oh. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Tapos, sa kabilang side naman, nandito si Beauty and the Beast. Yan nyo. Ito siya. Beauty and the Beast. So, kumbaga, yung mga dance hall ng mga castle ng mga princesses, ginawa nilang canteen. And sobrang ganda ng design. Yan o. Ganda, diba? So, kain muna tayo and mag-recharge muna tayo ng energy bago ulit mag-activities or manood ng mga shows. So, let's go. So, ito yung food ni Mahal.
Mickey Mouse!
Ano na?
Mickey Mouse!
And ito naman yung sa akin. Chicken with
Ay, sorry.
ramen. Wow, pati yung itlog Mickey Mouse! Oh my God! Ang galing! Grabe, ang galing! Paano nila nagawa Mickey Mouse yung itlog? Kaya nyo bang gawing Mickey Mouse yung itlog nyo? So yan guys, tapos na kaming kumain. And ito na, totoo na to, mag-rides na kami. So syempre, hindi ko kayo masasama habang nasa rides kami kasi bawal naman camera. So ayan guys, pupunta pala kami sa Toy Story Land and doon kami sasakay ng ride. Na-excite ako kasi isa yung Toy Story sa favorite Disney movies ko. Kaya nga gusto ko ipapanood kay Mahal eh. Kaso ang dami niya nasisimulan. Ganito pala ang feeling maging maging toy. Kasi parang ang laki ng mga bagay. Tapos ang liit namin ganun. Pati yung mga grass nila eh oh. Kasi mukha nilang grass yung mga dito. Kasi mga upuan, popsicle. Ang galing! Napanood ko ng bata ako. Alam mo yung parang saya-saya ng puso mo. Ang ganda, baby. Mahal, ang ganda, mahal. So yun guys, tapos na kami mag-rides. Isa pa lang nasakyan namin kasi sobrang haba ng pila dun sa may RC, dun sa may Toy Story. Grabe, ang tagal namin pumila, mga 30 minutes. Pero mga 8 times lang yung sigaw namin. As in, sobrang bitin, pero sobrang saya. So ngayon guys, papunta naman kami sa Frozen. Ito yung pinakabagong attraction dito sa Disneyland. And doon na kami ngayon papunta kasi maganda yung Castle ni Elsa. And kung meron pa kaming masasakyan na rides, doon sasakyan din namin. So, tingnan nyo maigi. Ang ganda! Kamukha talaga nung sa movie, guys. Alam niyo yung parang talaga, yung kingdom talaga nila. Ang ganda, grabe, tingnan nyo. Pati yung mountain kita, oh. Ito yung fountain nila. Ito yung village nila, yun yung castle. Wow, ang ganda! Ang galing, baby, no? Wow! Hey guys, so ayun, tapos na kami ni CJ sumakay sa Frozen and akala namin pambata lang, hindi pala. Dito kami ngayon sa It's a Small World After All. So sasakay kami ng rides. Pambata lang to kaya makakasama si Mali. Siya may hero dito. Yeah, I'm so happy kasi makakapag-enjoy together. So let's go! Wow!
Don't break me. I'm living for the highlights, living for my dream. So baby, stay with me. I'm living for the
So ayan guys, malapit na mag-fireworks. So pupunta na kami doon para makahanap kami ng magandang pwesto. Kasi syempre ito yung isa sa pinaka-inaabangan namin yung Mahal dito. Kasi nga sabi namin, di ba, baka maiyak kami pag nakita namin yung fireworks sa Disney. So ito na yun! Another dream come true with you, my love.
Yes.
So sana makapwesto tayo ng maganda.
We're the last people standing, still dancing when the lights come on. The music is fading, but this is our favorite part. I used to feel like an outcast, but I think I'm alright after all. 'Cause you make me feel like I belong. You like me from me without